Today we're going to look at how we can able to solve logarithms. We have convention here, how you can able to convert from logarithm to exponent over here and vice versa. Here all that you have to know is that the base pushes the result here. So here you solve it as you solve the linear equation. We need to get rid of this 3 to here. That means we subtract here 3 and you repeat the same thing here. When you do that, you get log x is equals to 5 minus 3, which is 2. Here the base wasn't given, so anytime the base is not given, you assume the base to be base 10 when it's not given. So it's going to push this one up. Therefore x is equals to 10 to the power 2. And 10 to the power 2 is 100. You're done. Here is just basically extension of the first one. All that you have to know that the base wasn't given, so assume here is base 10 and then it pushes this one as we're using the conversion. So you write 40 plus 8, then 10 to the power 2, which is 40 plus 8 is equals to 100. And you subtract 8 from both sides. I'll give you 92. And you divide both sides by 4 to get your t. Yeah. If you have a number in front of the log, how are you going to do it? As we said, anytime you're solving the log equation, what have to come into your mind? You're applying the same as we have been doing with the linear. You have to get rid of this, or it's multiplying, so you divide here by 15 and do the same thing here, so that this will turn into 1. So you got log 15 t equals to 1, and then you apply this. So this one will push this one up, so t is equals to 15 to the power 1, which is the same as 15. So here basically the same way we are solving for y, so we need to take -6 to this side. So we will add here to make it 0. We have to repeat the same thing here, and when we do that we get log base 11 y equals to 1, and this will push this one up. So therefore y is equals to 11 to the power 1, which is the same as 11. So here all that we have to do the convention. So this is going to push this one up. W is equals to 81 to the power 1 over 4. 1 over 4, if you want to convert it to a radical, is just 4th root here. In this number here, I have to give you a clue. One number to the power 4 will give you 81 is 3. So you see that 4 here, 3 to the power 4 is the same as 81. And if that is the case, the 4th root will cancel the 4th power and w is equals to 3. So here, the same way as we have been doing, the only strange stuff is the fraction here. All that we have to do, we have to get rid of it, so we are taking it over here, so we subtract 18 is 5. We repeat the same thing here, 18 to 5 here. If that is the case, we will get log 32 is 32 of w equals to, here for every whole number is over 1 minus 18 over 5. Log w is 32. Here you find your LCM to be 5. You cross here 20, and you cross here that's 18. Then you get log negative w is 32 is equals to 20 minus 18, which is 2, 5. Now we are doing the conversion, so this will push this one up. So negative w is equals to 32 to the power 2 over 5. If you want to convert it into a radical way, or said, all that you have to do is just the 5th come here and 32, and then the square comes here. So you can do it that way, or you can still stay here. That will be good. You want to get rid of, always trying to get rid of the base of the power or the index. W is equals to one number to the power 5 will give us 32 is going to be 2. So 2 to the power 5 is the same as 32, and here 2 over 5. If that's the case, this and this will go away, they will turn into 1, and then therefore the square is still over there, so we will get negative w is equals to 2 squared, which is 4. Now we're looking for w, so it's going to be negative 4. Okay, at this moment you get the process, so you can pause and then try it. So here, okay, they are all together, so all that you have to do is just to convert the log to exponent. So this will come and push this one up, so negative 7v minus 2 is equals to 25 to the power half. Let's talk about to the power half. To the power half means square root. Negative 7v minus 2 square root of 25. You can put the 2 here, it's still okay. Normally we assume that when we don't put it in there, we know that it's a square root, but when you put it in there, you're not wrong. And then negative 7v minus 2 square root of 25 is 5. Now we need to get rid of this, so we add here and we add here 2. So negative 7v is equals to 7. We're looking for v. We divide both sides by negative 7, and that will give us negative 1. Last one here. So here we see log here, log here. So we are going to apply the equal property. Since we have log here, we can say that this must be equals to that. We can say y squared minus 3y is equals to 4. This seems to be a quadratic, so let's bring everything to one side. So we will bring it here so that we can solve y minus 4. So that's the reason why you need to know how to solve your quadratic as you're moving forward. Okay, so we look for what two numbers we multiply. We will get negative 4, and we add, we will get negative 3. So it's going to be negative 4 times 1, and when we add it, we will get negative 3. So that means we are getting y minus 4. So this one in the fatted form, and then y plus 1 equals to 0. We are looking for the y values. So here, y minus 4 equals to 0. It implies that y is equals to 4, and y plus 1 equals to 0. It implies that y is equals to negative 1. We get our answer. Thank you for watching. Please, if today is your first time, go ahead and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Be blessed.